Hi, we're the Hot Tub Sisters, and today we're going to walk you through how to clean your hot tub filter in 25 minutes. First, you'll want to grab your garden hose with a powerful attachment and spray off any debris that may be trapped in the filter. Good job, Brooklyn. Now what you'll need is 1 pack of Pleatco filter wash, which you can find at thehotspringshop.com. Now you'll take your filter and you'll set it in a container that fits it perfectly. This storage tote is great for laying the filter down. Grab your hose, and I like to put a little bit of water in there. Apparently Brooklyn does too. Sisters think alike. Now you'll add 1 whole packet of your Pleatco filter wash. 1 packet is good for up to 5 gallons of water. Now take your hose and add more water. Again, you don't want to add more than 5 gallons. Your filter will float, but that's okay. Now that the 25 minutes are up, let's go ahead and take our filter out of the container. Now Derek here has that same hose with the really powerful attachment to spray down the filter extra good this time to make sure we get all of the soap and the rest of the debris out. Once your water is running clean without any suds, that means your filter is good to go. Go ahead and reassemble your filter compartment and you are all set for another month. And pretty please, don't forget to hit subscribe to help more people like you find us to help them with their hot tubs. Thank you so much for watching.